Welcome to another video. This is a 1.6 scale figure representing SS Obergruppenführer Reinhard Heydrich. This is another rare figure manufactured by the Hong Kong-based company 3R. As usual, this figure is high quality and rare. This is the first version of Reinhard Heydrich made by this company. Let's take a look at this figure. This man was known by some nicknames: the mastermind of the Holocaust, Hitler's hangman, the blonde beast and butcher of Prague. Because he was a beast and a man without any scruples in his life, he ended up killed by elements of the Czech resistance, as represented at the beginning of this video, with an excerpt from the excellent 2016 film Anthropoid. He did not die immediately in the attack. He died about a week later in an hospital. Cause of death, sepsis. This figure is incomplete. I don't have the second uniform and some accessories are missing. You can see that the figure includes many decorations.
Reinhard Tristan Eugen Heydrich.
This is the black SS uniform. On their collars they have the SS Obergruppenführer rank tab. The uniform is extremely detailed. I don't like undressing the figures to show the clothes underneath, but you get the idea. On his left arm he has the Nazi armband with the swastika and the SS arm insignia for an officer of the SD Reichs, Sicherheitsdienst sleeve diamond. On his right arm he has the Guard of Honor chevron. The silver chevron was authorized by Adolf Hitler in February 1934. All members of the SS who had joined the Allgemeine SS, the NSDAP, or any other party organization prior to January 30, 1933, were entitled to wear the insignia. The boots are imitation leather, but are very detailed. With age they began to deteriorate. Every now and then I have to pay attention to them and repair parts that get damaged. I have to get some new ones. Its visor cap is made of fabric, and unlike the Hitler figures I have, also from 3R, this one seems more correct in terms of size. His head sculpt is just right like the real beast. Very perfect, well painted, with her pervert smile and her blonde hair and blue eyes. He was considered as a perfect example of the master Aryan race. Apart from what I show in the video, I also have other accessories that came with the figure. His sword with its scabbard. I don't use it in the figure because I consider that in the configuration used it doesn't make sense to have the sword. The sword is made of metal and is very detailed, as is the scabbard. I have part of the figure's original set of decorations. Some were left over and others were used in this and other figures. I also have the original instructions with the options for using the decorations on this figure. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.